Okay. So for this video, I'll be demonstrating how to display images in a GUI form. So to do that, let's create a new project. So let's say Java application. So next, then the file name, let's say display image demo 1, since I already have something existing, an existing file, and then display image demo 1. That will be the name of my class. Then I'll just click finish. So here's my main program. Now I'm going to create a GUI form. So right click on my project name, then new JFrame form. So we have display image GUI. That will be my screen. And then I just click finish. I'll just make this one a little larger. And then we're going to place a label. Okay, I'll just remove the text property. And then I want to place a border. So let's say border, where's my border property? Here, border property. So let's say line border, and let's make it a little bit bigger. So 4. So there's my label. Then I'm going to place here a button. Sorry for that one. So I'm going to change the text property of my button to close. Close. So I just double click and write the code for this. Sorry. Excuse me. This dot dispose. So that will be my code. Then let's go to the main program. So we create an instance of the GUI form. So we have here the name of the GUI class is display image GUI. F is equal to new display image GUI. So we created an instance of the display image GUI class and named the object F, and then F dot set visible to true. Okay, so if we run the program, so we have here our form. Okay, and then so we have the close button here. So we click close, that will close the form. So let's go back to our main program. So what I will be doing here is I'm going to create a method that will be used to display the image in any label. So I'm going to place here or public void. So say public void display image in a label. So I'm going to place here javax dot swing dot j label. So that's my data type. It's actually an object, JLabel object. So name JLabel. Then here I'm going to place a string which is the file name of the image. So that means I can display, I'm making my method flexible so that I can display it in any label and with any file name. So I'm not trying to hard code the name of the JLabel and the file name of the file. So here, so we create an image, a buffered image. So I have printed my file name, buffered image img, or this should be buffered image, uppercase I. So image IO. So what I did here is to open, to read the file and then read that as an image or using image IO, and then that will create an image that is actually a buffered image. So I'll first fix my imports. You notice we have here red wavy lines. That means these are not recognized, so I can fix imports. So if I right click and then fix import, you'll notice that I have here now my necessary code to import the packages needed for the file. But still we have red lines here, so I can just click here. And it says here, since reading a file name can cause runtime error, we need to surround this with try catch. So we just use try catch. So we have now our buffered image. So why do we have the try catch? So if there's an error here, instead of crashing the program, it will go to this part. It will log whatever is the cause of the error. But we'll have a new a different chapter for that. So after creating the buffered image, we have to convert the buffered image into an image icon or icon. So how to do that? Image icon is equal to new image icon img. So we actually created a new instance or a new object by converting the image into an icon, the buffered image into an icon. The next is to convert the icon into image. So it's a different one. Wait. So to resize the icon, one is to convert icon into an image. Then step 2, so we create another instance of the image, but at the same time we'll be converting the image, resizing the image. So new image is equal to the same image, the original image, but we have to get a scaled instance of this image. So scaled instance. So what we have here is JLabel dot get width. So the width of the image will be whatever is the width of the JLabel. The height of the new image will be J label dot get height, and we're going to make use of scale smooth. So we're going to use smooth scaling. Then after that, we again convert image back to icon. And then so we set the icon to be the icon of the label. Okay, so we still have red wavy line, so we just right click and then fix imports. So that's it. So here are what we have done here. We create a buffered image, then convert that buffered image or that image into an icon. So because what we need is an icon. And but if we resize the icon, we have to convert it into an image. So buffered image is different. So image, and then we create another instance of the image, but this time around we get a scaled instance. So we try to resize the image. So what is the width of the new image? Whatever is the width of the J label, whatever is the height of the J label, and then using smooth scaling. So after that, this is new img lowercase because that's my file name here. We again convert the new image into an icon and then set that icon to be the icon of the J label. So that's our main program. Now I would like to display the image once I open the form. So I'm going to place this code or this method in my constructor. So display image. So what is the name of our label? J label 1. So we have here J label 1, and then the file name of the image. So let's try to look for an image. So I have here an image. Let's say I would like to, let's look for a nice image. Let's say this image. So image, right click, properties. I would like to get the path. So I'm going to copy the path, Control C. Going back to my code. So double quote, Control V. So you notice that the backslash will be changed to double backslash. And then double backslash, the file name. So what is my file name now? This one. Or right click. Oh, there. Yeah, that's it. I can just click and then copy this file. So I'll place that again in my code. So that's a file name. So I'll place a semicolon at the end. So I will call this one, so display image, which will use J label 1 and use this file name. I can use here also private if I want. Anyways, that will display the image. So I have already explained how the image is displayed. So we just use the set icon to display an icon in the image. So if we run the program now, so that's it. We have now our form. So I can refresh. So close the button. That's it. I have now my program. Okay. So that ends my demo, and that's how we display images in our GUI form.